Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we're going to be doing a one brand makeup tutorial. If you guys want to see me get ready, then let's go ahead and just get into the video. And as you guys can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be using Merit Beauty. You guys already know that I absolutely love their products, and I do want to thank them today for sponsoring today's video. I am super excited to be working with them, and it just makes me feel so good, and you guys already know that I love their product. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I know I'm just rambling, but let me just stop talking and let's go ahead and do some makeup. So we're going to do we're going to be doing a natural look today. As you guys know that I've been loving the natural look lately, as like the last several months. So I already prepped my skin. I already did my eyebrows. I did them off of camera, but all I did, you guys, was just kind of sculpt them. I went ahead and used their pomade. This one's in the shade Black Brown, and it's kind of like a spoolie, and it has product on there, you guys, but it's like super good. As you guys can tell, like, I really like how my eyebrows came out today. They look super good. I already applied my moisturizer, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with the Instant Glow Serum. You guys already know I've been using this and I absolutely fell in love. If you guys are oily skin girls, this will absolutely work for you because it does not leave you feeling greasy or anything, you guys. I'm going to be taking the Minimalist Complexion stick, and the shade that I'm using is in Camel. You guys, I absolutely love it. I have a new one here. I'm going to take the Perfecting Complexion stick again, and then I'm just going to put it all over my face. And you guys, with the Glow Serum and this together, it's literally like a dream of, like, just a dream, you guys. It blends so good into the skin, and I'm going to show you guys right now how easy it blends. You guys see how easy it blends. And I use this complexion stick also as a concealer. You guys can use it for your whole face. And then I'm going to go ahead and just apply it under my eyes. And then again, I'm going to take the brush and blend it out. And this has literally been my go-to look, you guys, for everywhere that I go. It's just so easy to just put on and just get out the house. And then I'm going to take their Perfecting Complexion stick again, but this one is in the shade Amber. And what I like to use this one is I like to bronze my face a little bit. And I'm just going to kind of dot it on my face, a little bit on my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. So I just like to give the face a little bit of color. And then I'm going to take their brush and blend it out again. And then I'm going to take their Flush Balm Cheek Color. The shade that I'm using today is in the shade Cheeky. Look at how pretty that color is. Their blushes are so good, you guys. So what I do, again, I just like to kind of go in the face and just dot it on. And I am the only one who uses this, so it's not like I use it for anybody else. Of course, you wouldn't do this, but, and then I put some on my nose. But their blushes, you guys, are absolutely, amazing. I have a few of their shades. And then, guess what we're using? We're going to be using the brush again, just because I told you guys you can literally use it for anything. And just look at how, look at this color. So gorgeous. Skin just looks so good, you guys. I absolutely love their products, and I know I sound like a broken record, but it's like so true. I have a code with them that I'll link down below, and then I'll put here so you guys can check it out and go get a discount. Go get your products, you guys. They are so good, and I love how their products are vegan, so they're very safe for sensitive skin. So if you're worried about, like, my skin breaks out so easy, because that's literally me with new products that I try. Merit Beauty brand is vegan and it's safe for sensitive skin, so you're good to go, girl, if you're worried about that. And if you guys do go purchase stuff, the first purchase that you make, they will send you a little brown signature bag, which is so cool. It's so chic and cute, you guys. Just see how it just looks so good. I just have literally been loving, like, the Minimalist, as their brand states, look, you guys, just to go to the store, just to do errands, anything. It's just so easy, and I just love their products. Next up is this Day Glow Highlighting Balm, and the shade that I'm using is in Founts. I do have their other highlighter in Kava, and it's so pretty, you guys. It doesn't leave like any shimmer, like glittery. It just kind of gives you like a glow, just like beautiful, you guys. So what I like to do is I just like to put it on the top of my cheeks right here. Kind of just swatch it on. And a little bit on my nose again. And put it on the cheek. Now with this, you can use a brush, but I honestly myself like using my fingers to blend it out. I feel like it just blends very easy into the skin. Then I'm going to be using their Lengthening Mascara in black. As you guys know, this is also my favorite product. If you guys watch my videos or any of my favorites, this is absolutely my favorite. I absolutely love the bristles on this brush. It just makes my eyelashes like super long and volumized, which you guys know I absolutely love. Then I'm going to be taking the Tinted Lip Oil in Bel Air. I have a few shades of this, you guys, and this one just looks so good. Look at how glossy it leaves your lips. This is literally, if you guys are thinking about getting Christmas gifts for anybody, you guys, this will be like a perfect stocking stuffer. And I want to thank Moret Beauty again for sponsoring today's video. That makes me so happy to work with a brand that I already love. And thank you guys so much for your support. I'll link my code down below and the website and everything that I used in today's video, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching and always supporting me. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.